Hi everyone, Colleen here, back with another video. And in this one, I wanted to share my fasting essentials. Now, this isn't just for fast day. This is if you're a regular faster, an intermittent faster, whether you're doing 16-8, OMAD, or ADF, which is alternate day fasting, which is what I did to lose over 60 pounds in 8 months. Stick around, I'm gonna show you everything that I highly recommend for your fast day journey. So first off, I'm going to start with something really basic. This is coffee. Coffee and or tea. So this is Nescafe instant coffee. This is the 100% Colombian. I use instant coffee, but I would highly recommend you have caffeine, any sort of caffeine on your fast day. It's able to suppress your appetite for a few hours to get you through at least the morning until around noon. Caffeine, what it does is it stimulates dopamine. Dopamine is a hormone that allows you to feel content, feel satisfied, and feel good. We stimulate that, we'll get through a fast day easier. This is also some green tea. I found this at Marshall's. This is the pineapple green tea. Forget the slim part, it's just a gimmick. It's just, there's no laxative or senna in it. It's just regular green tea with pineapple flavoring. If you are doing clean fasting, which clean fasting is when you have no flavored food-like items on your fast day. It's just water and or coffee without flavoring. That's a clean fast. There's no gum, there's no splash of cream, there's no stevia, it's just pure. If you're doing that, I wouldn't recommend the flavored green tea, but if you're not, this is nice. Having a cup of coffee for me, a hot cup of coffee primarily, instead of like iced or green tea, fast day staple for me, fast day staple. This is a new addition to my health journey and I have been singing its praises. But if you want your blood sugar regulated, apple cider vinegar. I have been using this for the past almost 2 months now, and this has been a game changer. This is my 3rd bottle now. I just bought this from my local Walmart, and I can't live without this anymore. What this does is the acetic acid inside of apple cider vinegar regulates blood sugar. When your blood sugar is regulated, you know what that does is it cuts cravings. It cuts sugar cravings. It keeps you balanced so you're not having hunger pangs. There's a difference between cravings and like severe hunger. This allows me to stop when I'm full and not need to finish the plate, and I'm able to absorb more nutrients from my food, because a lot of us sometimes we don't have acids in our stomach. This increases stomach acids. When your stomach acids are increased, you're able to digest your food better and absorb the nutrients better. When you lack nutrient absorption, you need a lot more food to feel satisfied, because ultimately you're eating to feel satisfaction, and the satisfaction comes from those macronutrients. And that's why it's so important to have whole foods, because whole foods are more satisfying than empty carbs, junk food, candy, pastries. So when you're able to better absorb those macronutrients, you need less. And this, my bloating be gone. I have this before I eat, so I take this fasted, and I also have it before my dinner. I will have it up to 3 times a day. I always make sure it's diluted. I have 1 to 2 tablespoons in a 6 to 8 ounce cup of water. Just drink it down, and then I'm able to eat. Forever staple. I recommend this whether you're fasting, clean fasting, dirty fasting, feast day, fast day. Major key. Major key for me. If you have experienced the wonders of apple cider vinegar, let me know down below in the comments. Hit like if you have, okay? Next, I'm going to recommend Element Electrolytes. These are the electrolytes I have on hand. The reason I go with Element is because they are sodium based. If you have higher blood pressure, beware. If you are prone to high blood pressure, beware. This has 1,000 milligrams of sodium in it. I never have an entire thing. I only have half of it, and it's just as effective. It's actually very potent, and I would suggest either using a lot of water with a whole packet, like up to a liter of water for one packet, or if you're gonna do like a 40-ounce tumbler, all you need is a half a packet. But Element, it has the 3 key components for your electrolyte needs. It has sodium, potassium, and magnesium. It's essential to replenish your electrolytes because as you are fasting, you are losing these and you're not replacing them. So if you're able to, on your fast days, have electrolytes. This one is the raw, and once again, this is LMNT, Element Electrolytes. I will have a link below. I have worked with them previously in the past, and I have been using them ever since. They have no sugar, no carbs. This one is lemon habanero. So they have all kind of amazing flavors. They have chocolate, which is really tasty. Watermelon is one of my faves, raspberry, citrus, mango. This gives you that pep if you have headaches, if you suffer from fatigue, dizziness, you are thirsty and can't get hydrated enough, you're missing electrolytes in your life. Highly recommend electrolytes of any sort, fasting essential electrolytes. So speaking of magnesium, it's important to have magnesium in your diet. A lot of us are overall nutrient deficient, but magnesium is one of those nutrients that we are devoid on. This portion of the video is sponsored by Mineral Maker. Mineral Maker is a water bottle that infuses your regular purified drinking water with magnesium. Magnesium in your life is essential. What it does for fasters, it helps balance your electrolytes. It helps with muscle cramps, and it helps increase your energy. And if you struggle with sleeping at night, having magnesium, adding magnesium to your nighttime routine will help you sleep like a baby. What you do is you take your Mineral Maker bottle, fill it up with your purified drinking water, and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This is the easiest way to add magnesium to your diet. I think this is ingenious. You're able to replace the filter as needed, and you have a great to-go water bottle. Like, it has a wonderful smooth silicone feel. It's sleek, it's hygienic, and it tastes smooth. It tastes real smooth. You don't need to spend money on those high-end fancy waters. We're all about sustainability, and this is the perfect size to throw in your bag, bring with you in your car, take with you in your hand, take to the gym, and you're getting your magnesium needs. So if you want to increase your magnesium intake, which I highly recommend, I will have the information for the Mineral Maker down below in the description box. Smooth, smooth, smooth water. So thank you again, Mineral Maker, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Another way to get your magnesium in, another fasting essential for me, these are Magnesium Breakthrough by Bioptimizers. This is a magnesium complex. What it does is it combines 7 types of magnesium to optimize absorption. This helps support digestion and promote restful sleep. That's what I'm saying. If you have issues with sleeping at night, which a lot of us do when we're new to fasting, fasting insomnia is real. Take 2 of these and call me in the morning, as Kanye West said. I will also have a link for Bioptimizers down below. I worked with them in the past, and I've been taking their supplements ever since. I'm a big supplement queen. I love supplements. Everyone always compliments me on my skin, how healthy I look, how vibrant my skin looks. I look this way because of what I intake. Yes, I have a good skincare routine, but skincare can only go so far. You have to be conscious of what you're intaking. I load up on greens. I load up on my supplements. I intake water. I have my magnesium. All right. Drink my green tea and apple cider vinegar. It's like a detox every day. But yeah, this is great in that it's a capsule. I recommend capsules. Don't get tablets. Tablets are trash. Gummies are the health industry's underrated scam. Underrated in that people really believe that they're doing something and it's not. Gummies are a scam. Gummies are a scam. The best way to intake your supplements is capsules or liquid. Gummies are a scam. I said what I said. My next fast day essential. If you're new to fasting, you may suffer from fasting insomnia. These helped me when I was going through that. This is melatonin. And this particular one is Vicks, ZQuil, Immune Support, Melatonin. This is 2 milligrams for 2 gummies. As I said, gummies are, I don't really believe in gummies, but it was on sale for $4.50. And melatonin is something that you don't need a lot of, so I'll rock with it. But if you're struggling with sleep, melatonin will help, or magnesium. Okay, I would highly prefer this over melatonin because you don't want your body to become dependent on external melatonin. Our bodies create melatonin on its own. Supplementing your body with melatonin makes it become almost a little dependent and suppresses the natural creation of melatonin. But if you really like, there's those days where you need to get to sleep. I'm gonna be honest, I never sleep well with melatonin. It puts me to sleep, but I'm not sleeping peacefully, if that makes sense. It's like a hard sleep, like an unnatural sleep, but it does put me to sleep, and I at least close my eyes and keep them closed. I have 2 more items and then that's it. Next, I have this. This is Colleen Broom. Colleen Broom is a fiber supplement. It is your way to get your fiber in, and it gets rid of unwanted bloating. I love this. For one, it tastes really good. It is made of psyllium husk, and psyllium husk helps with sweeping away the colon and making everything move. It's great. When I started using this, before I found out about apple cider vinegar, this was giving me a flat tummy, okay? Like, having this in my regimen was amazing. Colleen Broom, I have a link down below for you to shop if you're interested, but this tastes delicious. This is strawberry, it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, 20 calories. If you're not on a clean fast and you have like a 50 calorie max on your fast days, have this in the morning, drink it down. If you know that you are not triggered easily, or you could fight insulin triggers, then have this on your fast day. Definitely have this on your feast days. I like to add this to my smoothies. I could just add it to a cup on its own. Fiber, any kind of fiber. I also use Bellway, Metamucil. Fiber supplement. Get yourself a fiber supplement. It's crucial because you're just not having enough fiber with missing. If you're doing alternate day fasting, you're missing a lot of key nutrients that you're not taking in every day. Supplements are going to be your best friend on your fast day journey. So this is Athletic Greens AG1. This is a daily nutrition supplement. I worked with this company in the past. They sent me this and I have been in love ever since. A drink with 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food sourced ingredients. When I tell you the ingredients in this are out of this world. Gut health and digestive support, liver function. It supports hormone function, brain and neural function, the detox process. It helps support blood sugar regulations. It's basically like a green drink, but it's not a green drink. They refer to it as a nutritional supplement. I always have green drinks on hand, whether it's Suja from Walmart, Bloom Greens. Right now, since I have Athletic Greens, I'm using my Athletic Greens, and it is my nutrition in a cup. It is my vitamins in a cup. I know I'm doing something really good for myself when I drink this. If you don't have a green supplement, you need a green I'm so serious with you. Out of all the things here, you need a green supplement in your life, point blank period, whether you're fasting or not, whether it's your feast day or not, whether it's your fast day or not, whether you're ADFing or 16-8ing, you need a green supplement in your life. You're not having enough greens, but these are so convenient in that they come in a little packet. You could take it along with you, throw it in your bag, put it in any water. It blends beautifully, all right? That's important. Greens equals vegetables, not green apples and kiwis, okay? Fast day essential you're gonna need is vitamins, all right? If I'm having this, I usually don't need this. It's usually one or the other for me because this is kind of redundant. This is actually a hair, skin, and nails supplement, but it covers everything that you need. This is the Curls Big Blue Liquid Hair Growth Vitamin. I keep this in the fridge. This is smooth. I don't know what it does to the water, but it's really smooth. I believe they discontinued this, but this is very effective. You know why it's so effective? Because it is a liquid vitamin supplement. And you know what liquid does? It's 100% absorption. Every sip of this goes directly into your system. And that makes a big difference when you're trying to grow your hair, feel that B12 as far as energy goes, your vitamin A, your vitamin C. If you are looking for a liquid multivitamin, don't shop it on Amazon. Amazon is just too iffy to take those chances. You don't know how long they've been sitting around. And it's just not the way I would go. I would definitely get it on the ground. And lastly, what you're going to need on your fasting journey. Fasting must have a fasting essential, which I don't talk about enough. And I guess I don't talk about it enough because it's probably the hardest part of fasting that I ask anybody to do. Do you know what that is? Journal. So many people fail on their fasting journeys because they miss this staple, this essential, this must-have. Y'all think I play when I say I journal? I'm not playing. This is my second book. We are individuals, and individuals usually keep things to themselves. But when you have energy that is not transferred in a healthy form or fashion, energy does not die. It is transferred. So you could either transfer your energy in a healthy medium, such as with pen and paper, or you can transfer it by eating a tub of ice cream, over ordering Chinese food, drinking a bottle of wine. Energy transference, your thoughts to paper, is going to be one of the biggest things that you can do for yourself overall as a healthy, functioning, self-growing person. You will learn so much about yourself. You will grow in so many forms of fashion, and you will find yourself miraculously not craving or wanting to eat as much, because emotional eaters emotionally eat. All right, a lot of people just don't put two and two together. If you're happy, you're gonna eat. If you're sad, you're gonna eat. If you're frustrated, you eat. You're bored, you eat. Find something else to do. Highly recommend this. Please, if you're ready to get serious about your journey, this is a must-have. This is an essential, and you'll really feel the difference. But as soon as you get a chance in the morning, the only thing I do is I think about whatever's on my mind. Whatever is on my mind is what I write down. If I'm scared of something, if I'm worried about anything in my life, if something's bothering me, if someone is bothering me, if I am nervous, if I am excited about something, if I'm having anxiety, anything that is on my brain, whether I just want to thank God, like, God, I'm just so thankful that I am awake today, like, write it down. I don't need to be prompted, because once you start writing, the pen will flow, and I give myself up to 3 pages. Those are my fast day essentials that I highly recommend. Thank you again to Mineral Maker for this awesome bottle that can mineralize your purified drinking water, increase your magnesium, and get some good sleep. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed this kind of content, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.